Well, hello there, humbled fans and hooligans. Today, I have something special to present to you. That's right, my outdoor 124 crawler track, diminutive loud truck, Diminutive RC 124. That's right, folks. For all your 124 desires and needs, this half-filled garden bed will soon be the most desired of every young adult this side of my province. Yeah, handmade, hand built. We have an RC park. Diminutive. Now follow along with me, if you will, to the outside. As another loud truck goes by, you can see this is the curb appeal. And there are a few little Easter eggs there every once in a while. A little something for people to find while they're crawling and digging around. Now keep in mind that this is what it was. It was at ground level and we were digging holes in the ground. But next time you see this, it should be more filled with dirt. Yeah, we got our little entrance. And we're gonna have trails going up and down and back and forth. Maybe some green peppers. Maybe not. But yeah, this is the first look at the Hobby Hooligan 124 outdoor garden crawler track. And from now on, we'll be referring to it as the Diminutive Park. And if you like this sort of thing, don't forget to smash that like button. Maybe subscribe, comment, share with a friend that might be into this sort of thing, because we got a lot in the store.